Way too seriously because it really looks like I never leave my place, but I actually have a valid reason today, and that is the entire city is essentially snowed in. My university actually canceled.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you have watched my last video, I have mentioned how I'm finding it so difficult to study in the morning and I always end up wasting the day. But these days I have started studying late night, and despite being a morning person, I'm actually enjoying studying at night. And also earlier I used to track my study hours by counting up, like using my timer as a stopwatch, but now I set a 10-hour countdown in my timer. I know it's a very basic thing, but I have noticed that watching the time go down gives me a sense of urgency and also helps me stay focused. I have shot this video on 30th January, and today, as in the day I'm doing the voiceover, it's 3rd February, and I cannot believe that January is over. Actually, in December, I used to think that in 2026 I'm going to be super productive and it will be my comeback month, but honestly, that wasn't the case. January started on a very low note, and I was kind of carrying that same energy throughout the month. I was also not able to meet my target of completing internal security and answer writing for my optional. This was mainly because I hadn't made a proper plan for the month. I did make daily plans, but I realized that wasn't enough. I need a proper monthly and weekly plan. So for February, I'll be changing that and I'm going to strictly follow a weekly plan.
Let us understand why piracy is happening. Fighting a sort of cold war since a very long time. Why? Al-Qaeda is being fought by the US. Piracy is a major problem in this region.
It's almost 3:30 and I still have to study for almost 5 hours. I don't know whether I can complete the target of 10 hours today, but let's see how we can do it.